Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the deduction under the Income Tax Act 1961, and that is ETTTA. This is the deduction in respect of deposits made in savings account. Okay, the focus is on savings account, and here the eligible SSC is individual, and it is for those who are below 60, and for 60 and above ETTTB has been provided by the government. Okay, deduction is provided. Deduction here is rupees 10,000 or the actual interest that you receive in your savings account. Lower of both is allowed. For example, you have earned rupees 5,000 in your savings account of SBI, and lower of both, that is rupees 10,000 is the limit. Rupees 5,000 shall be allowed as deduction. And next is deduction will be calculated as of aggregate of all interest received from all savings bank account. Okay. For example, you have received 5,000 in your ICICI bank account and 5,000 in your SBI, 5,000 in your Axis Bank. So aggregate of all is 555 is 15,000, and from 15,000 and 10,000, 10,000 shall be allowed and rupees 5,000 shall be taxable. Types of accounts eligible is savings bank account, post office savings account, and cooperative savings account. The focus is on savings account. Okay. And fixed deposit account is ineligible for ETTTA. Recurring deposit, interest earned on recurring deposit, corporate bonds, government bonds, deposits from NBFC, all are ineligible. To get more clarity on this, I have made a clarification points. And first of all is, what if any amount is in excess of 10,000 shall be the income and hence subject to income tax. That is to say, any amount, as we have seen in earlier example, that 15,000 was earned from different bank accounts, savings account, and out of that only 10,000 is allowed as deduction and 5,000 shall be taxable. Under which head? Under the income from other source. There are 5 heads, and this income shall be taken into income from other source, or we call it as IOS. What if individual's income is below the taxable slab but interest income is more than 10,000 rupees? As you know, there are taxable slabs for different categories of individuals, and for 60, for below 60, the exemption limit is 2,50,000, and any income earned more than 2,50,000 is taxable. Okay, so what if you have earned, to get more clarity, I have taken one example. For example, your total income is rupees 2,40,000, out of which 60,000 is because of the interest on the savings bank account received from there. Limit is 10,000, but you have received 60,000. So please understand that as you don't fall into the taxable, you fall below the taxable slab and not in the taxable slab, hence this 60,000 amount whole shall be exempted and shall not be taxable, irrespective of it is more than the deduction amount. अगर ऐसा होता कि योर इनकम वुड हैव बीन 2,50,000 से ज़्यादा, 2,52,000 पकड़ लीजिए, देन आप योर इनकम शैल बी टैक्सेबल, और 60,000 को हम IOS में टैक्स करते, जहाँ पर 10,000 का आपको एग्जेम्पशन मिलता एंड 50,000 की इनकम आपके टैक्स स्लैब के हिसाब से टैक्सेबल हो जाती. देन नेक्स्ट इज़, दिस डिडक्शन इज़ ओनली फॉर सीनियर सिटीजन. जैसे कि हमने देखा इसके लिए ETTTB बनाया है, that is deductions with respect to the deposit and seniors account eligible, yes, senior citizen 60 or above individuals, and deduction is for rupees 50,000, ज़्यादा बड़ा अमाउंट का दिया, and the actual interest lower of the both. Suppose 60,000 ऑन किया तो 50,000 का deduction and 10,000 shall be taxable. टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स एलिजिबल इज़, यहाँ पर देर इज़ नो डिफ्रेंसिएशन कि सेविंग्स है या फिक्स डिपॉजिट से, दोनों का इंटरेस्ट इज़ डिडक्टेबल. पोस्ट ऑफिस सेविंग्स अकाउंट से भी जो इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, कोऑपरेटिव या रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट से भी. सिर्फ इनएलिजिबल है तो वो है कॉर्पोरेट बॉन्ड्स का और डिपॉजिट्स विद कंपनीज या फिर NBFC से जो इंटरेस्ट अर्न होगा, दैट इज़ इनएलिजिबल. ऑल्सो टू गेट मोर क्लैरिटी, डिफ्रेंसिएशन टेबल हैज़ बीन मेड. एलिजिबल इंडिविजुअल्स एंड HUF इन ETTTA TTB में सीनियर सिटीजन 60 और अबव, HUF नहीं आते इसमें, एंड स्टेटस रेसिडेंट होगा तो भी डिडक्शन इज़ अवेलेबल, नॉन रेसिडेंट विथ NRO अकाउंट होगा तो भी डिडक्शन इज़ अवेलेबल. यहाँ पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ रेसिडेंट इंडिविजुअल्स के लिए है एंड नॉट फॉर नॉन रेसिडेंट. विथ NRO अकाउंट। और डिडक्शन यहाँ पर 10,000 का यहाँ पर ज़्यादा बढ़ा दिया है 50,000। और एलिजिबल इंटरेस्ट इस सेविंग्स अकाउंट्स, चाहे पोस्ट ऑफिस से हो, बैंक से हो, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक से हो, और यहाँ पर चाहे फिक्स्ड हो, सेविंग्स हो, रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट्स, बैंक डिपॉजिट से, बैंक कोऑपरेटिव बैंक से, दोनों का है। And if you like the video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.